So, what's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Undertale. And let's just skip over this. Okay, so last time we did end right here. And also, I'm sorry if you can't hear the music, which you probably can't. Okay, Alfie's updated status. I hate using the phone. I don't want to do this. Okay. Oh no, an enemy has approached. Thunder playing gets in the way. Not on purpose or anything. Okay. Seems like we can't spare them yet. So let's act. Flirt, okay. Feel like that has worked before. You told it's not Thunderplane, it's Thunderplane. It has a powerful rudder. Huh? You sicko. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! Okay, we got it. We cannot spare them. I'm not gonna flee either. Flirt again. Oh, you tell Thunderplane it has nice turbines. Huh? You sicko. Ah! I'm going to die. Can we spare them? No? Okay, we have our checkpoint right there, so if we die, then yeah. But let's just continue flirting. You tell Thunderplane that it has cute winglets. Okay. Okay, it keeps saying the same thing, so I'm not sure if it will work. Okay, we might need to approach it. Let's approach it. You get close to Thunderplane, but not too close. Yeah, human. Oh, that's better, I think. I'm gonna approach it again. Oh wait, now flirt. Oh, it's still, okay. This is hard. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Wait. We don't have any items? Oof. Wait, didn't I might have put stuff in my box. Okay, let's approach again. This is weird. Oh, I think we need to... Okay, so we need to get those green things, like touch it. Okay, I heard something. Yes, we can spare them! Also, let's check. Do we even... I don't think we actually have any items. Oh, that's weird. So nothing, like we didn't lose anything. Actually, that might be... We have no items? Or am I just wrong? I'm gonna go check in a box. Oh no. Okay, another... This is not good. Cool down. You blow on pyrope. Its flames die down. Pyrope's attack dropped. Yes, that's good. Oh no. No! Okay, we'll probably find some other... Oh, wait a second. We do need to... Okay, I'm gonna pause the video until we get to a box or anything like that, and then we'll see if we have anything. Because I really hope we have them. Okay. Or spider donut, I meant. Okay, so we're at the box now, and yes, we do seem to have the stuff. We don't have anything in our inventory. I think we need to buy something. Okay, buy. With 220. Okay, that's a lot of gold. Okay, so what does this do? Weapon attack, and nah. We have the tough glove if we ever need it. But I'm doing the pacifist, so we shouldn't need it. Okay. Okay, let's buy some of these crab apples. Like, quite a lot, actually. Like, that much. We're gonna have 70. Exit. Be careful out there, kid. Okay. Now let's continue our way. Back over there, and I'll pause the video again. Seeing such a strange laboratory in a place like this, you're filled with determination. Okay, so now we're back, well, almost back there. And we have some food, so we can heal if we start dying. And so we don't need to go too much back. Okay. So let's continue on our journey. Also, if you have any ideas of what I could, like, what kind of videos I could make, then you can comment down below and I'll read your comments. Okay. Cooldown. You blow on Pyrope, its flames die down. Pyrope's attack dropped. Oh no. Okay. Invite? You invite Pyrope to hang out. Sorry, I'm all tied up. Okay. Oh no. We can't spare it yet. Okay, let's cool it down again. Okay, heat up. I know that might... That's something, okay. So the game just crashed. Okay. Wonder why that happened. Like, is that a feature of the game, or is it just my device that's so garbage that it can't handle it or something? I don't know. Well, it crashed anyway. No. Wait, okay, let's try heat up. Okay, so when we heat up, good to know. Okay, let's continue the battle. Well, not really the battle. I won't like attack them or anything. Okay, I'm pretty sure this one isn't that hard. Okay, actually, let's spare. Hot enough for ya? Burn, baby, burn. Missing. Already dead. Okay. It cannot end now. Kara, stay determined. We really need to get through that monster. Okay, so end the video right here. But it does seem like we didn't get that much progress this episode. But if you have any ideas of what I should upload, like what kind of videos, maybe even real life videos, maybe, then comment down below. And I'll see you in the next one. And like and subscribe if you want to, as always. And bye!